To start, remove the doors or drawers from the cabinet. Lay the cabinet on its back to fix the adjustable feet. The cabinet will come with the base plate of the adjustable feet installed. Attach the adjustable part by slotting it into the base. Wind the feet to adjust them to the height of your kicker. Place the cabinet in position. Adjust the height of the feet until the cabinets are perfectly aligned. Use a spirit level to check the level. Check the cabinet is level at the back, front, left and right. Drill pilot holes through the inside of the first cabinet. Using 28mm screws, screw from the inside of the cabinet through to the other cabinet, both at the back and front, to secure in place. If it is a door unit, position the front screws to the front of the hinge plate so that they'll be hidden when the door is on. Once cabinets have been secured to each other, secure them to the wall. How the cabinet is attached to the wall depends on the wall type. See our hardware and fixings guide for more details.